So I've got here the portable AC window seal. This is the ultimate solution to keep your home cool and comfortable during these hot summer days. This seal ensures a secure fit, maximizing your air conditioner efficiency, saving you money on the energy bills. Installing this is very easy. You don't need any tools or window kits or anything. You just need to attach the Velcro and then put the seal. Very easy. So this is made from a durable translucent material and it's made to last over 3 years. It has very good zippers and it will protect you from rain and any bugs from outside. Now let's take it out and see what's inside. Okay, so that's how it comes in this zipper bag. You just open this zipper bag and you check everything that's inside. So we've got 3 of this. Velcro here to stick it. We've got some instructions here. And here you can also check the type of window you have, if it's right for your window. These windows are not good, so don't buy it if you have any of these windows. But these other windows are cool. And that's the installation. And you have here a QR code if you want to watch the video installation. Really cool. That's the actual sealer for the window, which is really big. Okay. You see here the zippers. I got 4 of them. And then you see here the Velcro. That attaches to this sticky Velcro here. So you stick this on the window, and then you stick this on the Velcro from the window, and you're done. It's really easy. So if you want to upgrade your home's cooling system today with this portable AC window seal, keep your hot air out and keep your house cool and stay comfortable all summer long, you can get this portable AC window sealer.